Unrecognized message.
Service weather radio warning alarm for the KCZ-47 listening area of northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially your receivers are automatically activated to warn of by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 1 hour to spread up for existing severe weather in the area. The test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Cloudy with a rain warning this afternoon. The four highs in the mid. This is a test of the weather radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Starr, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Graham, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Palby, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on No Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to regular programming. After the was a test of the weather radio station WXJ 93 Clydersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day.
Of course that failed.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of my radio station WXJ 93 Clydersville, Ohio.
Here is a hazardous weather outlook for today and tonight. Wintry precipitation is possible tonight. Light accumulating snow may result in minor holiday travel impacts across portions of the area. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Light accumulating snow may result in minor holiday travel impacts across portions of the area before ending early Thursday. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. This is No Weather, All Hazards Radio Station WXJ 93, Clydersville, Ohio, the voice of the National Weather Service. Broadcasting on the frequency of 102.400 megahertz and serving West Central Ohio. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office at Wilmington, Ohio. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for today and tonight. Wintry precipitation is possible tonight. Light accumulating snow may result in minor holiday travel impacts across portions of the area. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Light accumulating snow may result in minor holiday travel impacts across portions of the area before ending early Thursday. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Now looking at the
Turn
weather
that
patterns
off.
affecting the southern Great Lakes and
Turn
Ohio
off
Valley
alerts.
region. A low pressure system will approach the region today, tracking south of the area tonight into Thursday, bringing a mix of rain and snow to the
Okay.
region. After the passage of this system, much cooler air will work into the region for the weekend.
Okay, so, for all the radios that failed, jury duty, jury duty, jury duty. And, shut up, Soda. Anyways, this is tuner dead, so, I mean, it has a reason. Of course. This thing never wants to get good reception. Oh, now it does. Same with this one. Oh, now it does. There we go.
Friday, partly cloudy. Highs around 30. Winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing.
Unplug it and it starts working.
Saturday.
Yep. That's Thanksgiving for you.